Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I'm very glad to introduce our valve assembly for you. Let's take a look. And firstly, you can see the VCI anti-rust backlight. Here this is a label. And the label information, a product code F00RJ01159. And about this kind of logo labeled packages, etc. we support customized service, okay? And here, I open it from this side. Plastic bottles, and if you open it, you will find we use the oil paper to wrap it up. The valve assembly. We not only sell in the whole one, we also sell the separate one, and when I separate it, you can see the coding figures on the valve cap. That's the valve rods. Actually, here, Caitlin, 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to install it, If you want to install it, you'd better to make sure the valve cap in the right position and that the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. And at last, if you want to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water, okay? And last, I want to share with you about the warranty time, 6 months. That's all, okay? Finally, you can follow us at our YouTube or the Facebook account, and feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.